vai Aloha, o kahu Aloha, o kahi ka vai, uhia, e tu Aloha, e o mai. Vai Aloha, o kahu Aloha, o kahi ka vai, uhia, e tu Aloha, e o mai. Vai mapuna, aleika poli, aleika vai, lohia, e tu Aloha, e o mai. Vai mapuna, aleika poli, aleika vai, lohia, e tu Aloha, e o mai. Vai la vera, o e hai ka e inui ka vai, a kena, e tu Aloha, e o mai. Moi ka vai la vera, o e hai ka e inui ka vai, a kena, e tu Aloha, e o mai. to make a day for you, I'd sing you a morning, golden hour. I would make this day last for all time, give you all even if I had words to make a day for you, I'd sing you a morning, golden and you. I would make this day last for all time, give you all night, deep in moonshine. Aloha, e kuipo, komane, malani, nauno, e nani. If I had words to make a day for you, I'd sing you the morning, golden and I would make this day last for all time, give you all night, deep in moonshine. Aloha, e kuipo, komane, if I had words to make a day for you,
Suliana's Dance Academy, Mid-Year Recital, Sharing Aloha, proudly sponsored by the following companies. Platinum sponsors: Leola, best prices in the Pacific. Heineken, the very best. Pacific Timber and Hardware, simply the best. Building a better Tonga. Quartz Tonga, design, copy, and print for all your home, church, and office needs. Bingo, Plant Hire and Earthworks Limited, reshaping Tonga. Digicel, better together. Polynesia Shipping Agency Tonga, providing direct shipping services from all over the world. For more information, find our office at the ANZ building on Vuna Road, Maufanga. Semisisika, representative of Tongatapu. Semisisika has always been a proud sponsor of Suliana's Dance Academy and also the cultivation of talent in youth, especially in dance. Gold sponsors: TCC and UCall, your #1 network in the kingdom, 100% Tongan owned. We care for you. Yummy Treats Tonga, Tonga's favorite place for an on-the-go meal, serving you for years and will continue to. Office equipment for all of your office or school needs. Home furnishing, kitchenware, sound systems, printing, sportswear, you name it, OE has it. Matalupe Company Limited, where freshness matters. A&A Retailer Tonga Limited, Best price for quality products and services. One-stop shop for the office supplies, IT service, and printing. We also provide you all of your baby, kids, and women's accessories. Silver sponsors. Puloka Construction. Proudly sponsored by Tevita Puloka on behalf of Puloka Construction Limited. Construction you can count on. Bronze sponsors. Weta Coffee, New Zealand award-winning coffee and hot chocolate. Coffee Post, Rose and Tabake Fangupo.
Mic check. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being on time. It's gonna be a full house tonight. Kamaukole atupe, please, you need to fill up the seats. The front 3 rows, goe, sea, the maroon chairs. These are all VIP seats for all of our sponsors. Katak famoremore. If you don't have a VIP ticket, we're begging you to, if you can please find another seat. This is just in appreciation for all of the companies that are sponsoring this academy and allowing us to do more work. An announcement to all of my dancers. On your seats, please. Nobody around the building. Can you turn the music down? If I can please have your attention. If you can all please, at this time, look at your mobile phone. Look at your mobile phone. If your Wi-Fi connection is on, can you please turn it off? Let me get on the stage. Maybe I'll get a little bit more attention up here. Children. If I can please have your attention as we await the arrival of our guest of honor this evening. A lot of our sound system equipment, including our lights, are operated on Wi-Fi. Right now, everyone's phones are on Wi-Fi, which is interrupting our connection. If you can please have a look at your phone at this time, you're welcome to have your data on. That's wonderful. Wi-Fi, turn it off at this time so that our connection for all of our lights and our sound will run smoothly for the entire night. Once again, the first 3 rows here, which are maroon chairs, are for VIP tickets. I apologize. We have a lot of sponsors this evening. It's the first time we've asked for sponsors from companies, and these seats are reserved for them. Please, if you would like to do the Academy a huge favor, if you can clear those seats if you do not have a VIP ticket, I would really appreciate it. If you don't know Tunalikiliki, who is our coordinator, event coordinator, she will visit you to make sure that you have VIP tickets. Thank you so much for coming tonight. We're just waiting for our VIP guest, our guest of honor this evening, to arrive. Thank you for your patience. To all of my children, please take your seats, and please, once again, turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Malo aupito.
Suliana's Dance Academy would also like to recognize and thank the following companies who have continued to support the Academy in every single recital. Dofa Ramsey Shipping, Nunia and Soane Ramanlao, Tuna and Paulikiliki, Solova, Sinamoli and Sisi Fakataw Ofa, New City, Now Mau and Family, Sunshine Rental, thank you Helen Toli, JR Hire, to Olive and Sefo Ramanlao, JH Electrical, Saya and Amelia Helu. A big thank you to Andrew To Imwana for always providing our sound system. Thank you to DJ Nuni for providing lights. Without all of your help, this recital would not be possible. Suliana's Dance Academy, Mid-Year Recital, Sharing Aloha, proudly sponsored by the following companies. Platinum sponsors, Leola, best prices in the Pacific. Heineken, the very best. Pacific Timber and Hardware, simply the best. Building a better Tonga. Quartz Tonga, design, copy, and print for all your home, church, and office needs. Bingo, Plant Hire and Earthworks Limited, reshaping Tonga. Digicel, better together. Polynesia Shipping Agency Tonga, providing direct shipping services from all over the world. For more information, find our office at the ANZ building on Vuna Road, Naufanga. Semisisika, representative of Tongatapu. Semisisika has always been a proud sponsor of Suliana's Dance Academy and also the cultivation of talent in youth, especially in dance. Gold sponsors, TCC and UCall, your #1 network in the kingdom, 100% Tongan owned. We care for you. Yummy Treats Tonga, Tonga's favorite place for an on-the-go meal, serving you for years and will continue to. Office equipment, for all of your office or school needs, home furnishing, kitchenware, sound systems, printing, sportswear, you name it, OE has it. Matalupe Company Limited, where freshness matters. A&A Retailer, Tonga Limited, best price for quality products and services. One-stop shop for the office supplies, IT service, and printing. We also provide you all of your baby, kids, and women's accessories. Silver sponsors, Puloka Construction, proudly sponsored by Tevita Puloka on behalf of Puloka Construction Limited. Construction you can count on. Bronze sponsors, Weta Coffee, New Zealand award-winning coffee and hot chocolate. Coffee Post, Rose and Tabake Whangapo. Check. Ladies and gentlemen, if I can please have you stand for the arrival of our guest of honor this evening.
Please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our guest of honor this evening. What an honor and a privilege it is. You may now take your seats. Your Royal Highness, Princess Royal, Princess Salote Mafile Opilolevu Tuita. Lord Tuita, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, and to our dear dance family, we'd like to officially welcome each and every one of you to Suliana's Dance Academy Mid-Year Sharing Aloha Recital. I can already tell that tonight is going to be an amazing night from the applause that we just had. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Your Royal Highness, Lord Tuita, we'd like to begin the program this evening with a word of prayer. Tonight, we will invite to the stage a dance grandfather. He is the grandfather to one of our dancers who will start the program this evening with a word of prayer. Paula V. Tu'akalau.
Mau tamai tangata ke van mau ke lai pa ngamari ko mau ke ko ni ke mau ta ta mai ke ni ke mau ma ta ia ngai tare ni ti ki lam tol o ko ke kau fai va ko ko ia mau fa malo ke fiona o fa ngamari na tu la ngai ta po ke ko to pe mau la me mon nuai mau fa malo ngai me ke ko ke tu ko me ka ti mau to ne mau lai to no no ngai te ala fai o o ia ma whakawhia heno lau maare ke kau whakatama ma ko tā peke nanga ki ma tolu he pōni e tau te whita ki he whakarangangi ala whatama ki na ma ke he tō tahani ke ne lawa ma wa whia pe ma na tolu pōni ko tō pēku ma ui hen whakataha he pōni ke lawa ke ma wa whia i ngai mea ko tō pēku ma whai pa whainga maari e ngai mea ko tō pē ke lawa ke whakakato ngai ngā whatongia koe o whai pōni pe he ke whakawhainga maari mo na tūla ka lawa ke ma Fia pe ke lava ke mau to fokia tu ke mau to ke mau fai hanga e mo fi ke pe ala ala foto ko ni ke mau to ta pe ke mau to ngai ta wa ke ko to pe mo win lava ke mau ma ha loto ta ta na mo konseni se lava ke mau ilo pe me to ton wen ke mau fai pe ke la fa ka tu pula ke ta ni ti mo mau ngai fa na u pa ka ma fa ngai fa mo pu na na ka ngai ne ko to pe po ko Ilong ai mea to ton ke whakata ma tu kia whiona whakata me langin ko lotia me hu mau whai ni roto whato ki lala mohon pia i he huafa o alam ko si sukala isi. Amen.
We'd like to thank our dance grandfather for beginning the program this evening. Listen, we have an amazing show prepared for you this evening. Your Royal Highness, we are honored and humbled yet again to be graced with your presence. I feel like we were just here a little while ago, and we were just in January to celebrate my mother's 80th birthday. This is our mid-year recital. For the entire beginning of the year, beginning in March, we have been teaching all 192 students of our... Can you put your hands together for that? Because that's not an easy feat, I tell you. We have 192 children with the Academy this year. We went up a few from 170 in January. And I wish that we were able to take more. Unfortunately, the Dance Academy is currently being run by two people, myself and Alexandra Fielea. If we could have cloned ourselves, we would take so many more children in. But we are so appreciative to have you here with us this evening, and each and every one of you. Before we begin the program tonight, I would like to acknowledge the wonderful sponsors who have made this all possible. This is the first time that Suliana's Dance Academy has approached different businesses here in Tonga to sponsor the Academy. For the past 5 years, we have just tried on our own. Our children and their families have sold all of our tickets at every single recital to fundraise for our Academy, to renovate our studio. This year, we have been so fortunate to have a lot of different businesses here in Tonga, which tells me they support what we do. And I'd like to acknowledge them at this time. Our main sponsors this evening, Se Misisika. Can you please put your hands together for Se Misisika? Se Misisika, of course, is the representative from my district, Tongatapu. And we thank you from the bottom of our hearts, Se Misisika. You really have been someone that I've looked up to my entire life. And I know that you love dancing. If we gave him a chance, I know he probably would get up here and dance with the boys as well. Se Misi, this is only for the children, okay? One of the other main sponsors this evening is Digicel Tonga. Can you please put your hands together for Digicel? Both San Misisika and Digicel Tonga have sponsored 2,500 paanga. Give them another round of applause because they're taking my blood pressure down with all of these children. A big thank you to our platinum sponsors, and these companies have given us 2,000 paanga. That's so much money, especially in this COVID time. Please put your hands together for Pacific Timber and Hardware. JP, you're the man if you're watching me right now. Bingo, thank you so much for your support. This evening, because we have so many children, we have 4 different rows of children, and to ensure, Your Highness, that these children are seen on the live, we have a contraption, a very cool contraption in the back of the hall from Bingo. It's called a scissors lift. If any of you want to get a hold of one of these, you can go to Bingo. I'm just trying to put a few plugs in there for my sponsors. A big thank you also to Platinum sponsors sponsoring 2,000 paanga, Pacific Shipping Agency Tonga. Big thank you to you, Charlotte Cocker, have always sponsored the Dance Academy. We have so many sponsors, ladies and gentlemen. I will share them with you throughout the evening. However, at this time, before I bring the children up to the stage, I just wanted to share a little journey, Your Highness, of how far we've come. In 2018, here in the Kingdom of Tonga, Tonga was devastated by Tropical Cyclone Gita. A lot of families were affected, my family also. The storm took off over 2/3 of our roof. I was depressed for a little bit, But there's always a reason to everything. Heavenly Father told me, you gotta extend the patio so that you can have the studio at home. And that's exactly what we've done. And we've done it all on our own. But today, with all of our sponsors, we'll be able to completely finish our studio. Can you please put your hands together one more time? As our first class is preparing to enter the stage this evening, are you all ready to be taken on a trip to Hawaii, Nay? For over a year now here in the Kingdom of Tonga and all around the world, due to COVID-19, we have been locked away from the rest of the world. But tonight, all 192 children from Suliana's Dance Academy will be taking you on a trip to Hawaii. As all the children are preparing, I just want to make sure that everybody out there, when these kids walk on, please clap. When they dance, please cheer, because they've put their heart and soul into everything that's happened. Much better, right? Much better. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Royal Highness, please put your hands together for the youngest keiki of Suliana's Dance Academy. Aren't they gorgeous? As the girls are situating themselves, come here, my darling. We're just going to do a little bit of shifting. I know, Anna, we're going to move back just a little bit onto our silvers, okay? Silver tape. Here we go. Right back here, honey. Can you put your hands together? Aren't they beautiful? Right here, Leah. This evening, I know that our beloved Princess Pilolevu is especially excited because for the first time, her granddaughter is dancing with the Academy. Huli! Just a gentle reminder, there is no whakapale that is allowed. These children, the show is gonna be quick. Do not blink, so that you can enjoy all the children. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't like shoes upon my feet because that's the Hawaiian in me. Put your hands together one more time for the beautiful keiki. Class 1.
I don't like shoes upon my feet. To be at ease is such a treat. I smile for everyone I meet. That's the Hawaiian in me. I love to sing and dance for you and give a lay to cheer you through. And with that goes a kiss or two. That's the Hawaiian in me. Well, it's great to be in Hawaii and to be a native Jew. Yet it's greater still to play around.
Please excuse me, I need the music to be pumped up so my kids can feel it. Every time we dance in the academy, they feel the beat in their chest. DJ, please turn it up so they can feel the beat in their chest. We can feel the beat in our chest, and we can have a wonderful night tonight. Here we go. Let's crank that sound up. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, please put your hands together for our beautiful keiki.
I don't like shoes upon my feet. To be at ease is such a treat. I smile for everyone I meet. That's the Hawaiian in me. I love to sing and dance for you, and give a lady to cheer you through. With that goes a kiss or two. That's the Hawaiian in me. Well, it's great to be in Hawaii and to be a native too. It's greater still to play around and carry on as I do. So right out here in Hawaii, where everything is heavenly, I'm just as happy as can be. That's the Hawaiian in me. I don't like shoes upon my feet. Be at ease is such a treat. I smile for everyone I meet. That's the Hawaiian in me. I love to sing and dance for you, and give a lady to cheer you through. With that goes a kiss or two. That's the Hawaiian in me. Well, it's great to be in Hawaii and to be a native too. It's greater still to play around and carry on as I do. So right out here in Hawaii, where everything is heavenly, I'm just as happy as can be. That's the Hawaiian in me. Well, it's great to be in Hawaii and to be a native too. Yet it's greater still to play around, carry on as I do. So right out here in Hawaii, where everything is heavenly, I'm just as happy as can be. That's the Hawaiian in me. Oh yeah, that's the Hawaiian in me.
Aren't they absolutely beautiful? Nofa? Now the smiles that you see tonight looks like it was so easy. We had to force them to smile for weeks in order to have them this comfortable. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Huli? Luit. Aren't they well trained for their age? Beautiful job, my babies. As our keiki are making their way down the stage, just so that you all know, when they start at this age, we always have different levels of dancing. The song that you just heard is a basic Hawaiian hula. They'll learn hukilau. It was the same thing that we've done years and years ago. So as they continue to dance, the level starts getting harder. The next class coming up, ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together for my handsome fellas. These are the youngest boys of Suliana's Dance Academy. Your Royal Highness, please forgive me as I try to set up my children to low. Let's look for blue, my darlings. Blue. Tulong. These are the youngest boys of Suliana's Dance Academy. Believe it or not, 3 years ago, I only had 14 boys. From little boys all the way up to 18. I only had 14 of them. My first class for the boys has 16. Huli. The dance they will be performing tonight is their basic Hawaiian dance. Once they're able to do this, I get to teach them harder dances. But every young man that comes through the doors of Suliana's Dance Academy starts with this song. Boys, we're gonna step back. Boys, ihope. Straight back. Marimali. They're a little nervous. Can you put your hands together one more time? The babies from our boys, class 1, performing for you, Oya! Can you give everybody a wave? Because you guys are so cute. Wave at everybody out there. Wave. Oh, they don't want to wave. We didn't train to wave. Huli. Put your hands together for them one more time. Lue, boys. Wonderful performance. As these young men are making their way off the stages, can I please acknowledge all of our gold sponsors this evening. Our gold sponsors. Blessing the Academy with 1,000 paanga each. Please put your hands together for TCC and UCall, Tonga's 100% owned company. Bank of South Pacific, BSP. Thank you so much for sponsoring Tonga's favorite stop for treats. Please put your hands together for Yummy Treats, giving us 1,000 paanga. Matalupe Company Limited, Malo Aupito. A&A Retailer Tonga Limited. These are all of our gold sponsors who have been generous enough to give us 1,000 paanga in our efforts with the Academy. They look eager to get on stage. How about some smiles, girls? Mali mali. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier on, it's gonna be a quick show. Do not blink. You might miss a dance. Please put your hands together for the beautiful girls. This is Class 2 for Suliana's Dance Academy. These young ladies range from the ages of 9 years old to 11. We're a little all over the place this evening, Your Royal Highness. Please forgive us. One of our girls just got sick. So there's an open spot. You guys have this. You've been training for months and months. Let's just dance. Huli! These are the beautiful girls of Class 2 of Suliana's Dance Academy. This evening, they will be performing to a beautiful hula song. I can't see you, honey. I apologize that some of the children cannot be seen in the lights. I apologize from the bottom of my heart. Right now, just let their smiles shine through. Ladies and gentlemen, Class 2 with Do the Hula! Check, 1, 2. DJ, I apologize. DJ? Sorry, girls. Ihope. We're a little flustered because one of our children are sick, and I apologize, but we're going to start this dance again. Are you girls ready? Are you ready? Here we go.
To the hula, to the hula, to the hula, to the hula. If there's anything you'd like to say, it's the only way you'll find that a trip around the island is fun. When you've once begun, tell out the moon above so high, the hula nuku nuku swimming by. Talk about the boys all hurrying back to the little brown gal in the little grass shack. To the hula, if you like to whisper I love you. It's the thing to do, picking flowers, get 'em all the time. In the tropical clime, when you walk on silvery sands, you never have to talk, simply use your hands. Do the hula, go into your dance.
Girls, don't worry. Here at Suliana's Dance Academy, it doesn't ever matter where you stand. We always put the girls in line according to their height. It doesn't matter what you look like, it doesn't matter if you're the best dancer or not. To be fair, because we are a dance school, I teach all of my men, I teach all of my young ladies, that no matter where they stand, they give it their all because they will shine no matter what. Not yet. I think we're back on. Are you still out there? Wonderful. These girls are gonna need your support a little bit more because we've had to restart 3 times now. Are you guys ready? Let me hear you say yeah. Are you ready? Here we go. Mali Mali.
To the hula, to the hula. If there's anything you'd like to say, it's the only way you'll find that a trip around the island is fun. When you've once begun, tell of the moon above so high, the hoomba hoomba nooka nooka swimming by. Talk about the boys all hurrying back to the little brown gal in the little grass shack. To the hula. If you like to whisper I love you, it's the thing to do. Picking flowers, get them all the time. In the tropical climate, when you walk on silvery sands, you never have to talk, simply use your hands. Do the hula, go into your dance.
Here we go, girls.
If there's anything you like to say, it's the only way you'll find that a trip around the island is fun. When you once begun, tell of the moon above so high, the hoomba hoomba nooka nooka swimming by. Talk about the boys all hurrying back to the little brown gal in the little grass shack. To the hula, if you like to whisper I love you, it's a thing to do. Picking flowers, get them all the time. In the tropical climate, when you walk on silvery sands, you'll never have to talk, use your hands. To the hula, go into your dance, oh yeah. To the hula, to the hula, 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 hula. Along the road to romance.
Nofa. That's the first time that these girls have done a complicated transition or moving of the line. Did you think they did a great job? You girls are absolutely stunning. Huli. Lue. You can keep clapping because they're absolutely gorgeous. As our young ladies are making their way off the stage, I'd like to acknowledge our bronze sponsors this evening. A big thank you to Puloka Construction, Tevita Puloka for supporting the Academy, Malo Aupito, Weta Coffee, and they're actually situated outside right here for your convenience. A big thank you to JR Hire as well. Without any further ado, we're gonna keep the entertainment pumping through the speakers. Please put your hands together for the next class coming up to the stage. These are our preteen young ladies. Class 3 for Suliana's Dance Academy. This evening, ladies and gentlemen, Your Royal Highness, they will be performing a implement song using a pu'ili, which is a slit bamboo stick. Because of COVID, we usually order these bamboo sticks from Hawaii, but because my mother's not able to travel, My brother Aleki rode the boat with Tofa Ramsey shipping, went to Ewa, climbed down the cliff, cut all these, put it in the sun and slit them, especially for the girls. So we really don't need to fly to Hawaii. We can get everything here in Tonga. But they're gonna be performing a beautiful upbeat song. If you haven't noticed, all evening long, we wanna keep the music nice and upbeat, nothing slow to keep you moving in your chairs. I almost said pants, that as well. Huli. Aren't they beautiful? You know, people always ask me, and I say this all the time because it's not a lie. People always ask me, do you handpick all of your girls because they're so gorgeous? They just come to me. I'm so lucky. And maybe a little bit of confidence and teaching these girls to be confident in themselves and also raising their self-esteem makes them even more beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, please put your hands together for the Class 3 girls with their pu'ili item from Hawaii. Ihope. Here we go, girls.
Manuhilo I kupua I kapua loke kawika onohi Ia ai kamana o I ke kiu Kamakani hiwa hiwa ka aina Ula mahia ka hua he kili I bili ka poli a he mo'ol E ole o malula nila e a ohe Anu a ohe ma e ele ea 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 wapa kele mai kahane I ka popa I mai nanalu a ole no e paulilo ana I ke aku ka aina wapa kele mai kahane I ka popa I mai nanalu ale no e paulilo ana I ke aku ka aina Ula mahi a ka hua he kili I pili ka poli a he mo'ole E ole o malula nila e a ohe Anu a ohe ma e ele Ea 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 Haina ka pua na ailo he ia No, I ka I no o ia pua o na upa ka I ka veki Haina ka pua na ailo he ia Kawi no I ka I no o ia pua o na upa ka I ka veki Ula mahia ka hua he kili I pili ka poli a mo'ole E ole o malula e a ohe Anu a ohe ma e ele Ea 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 ea
No fault. Iluna. You can clap for them one more time. Come on, they were amazing. Huli. We always teach our children that the dancing doesn't only start when the music plays. When they walk on the stage, when they get off the stage, they are still performers. Aren't they doing an amazing job? Oh. I have to tell you that Alexandra Fialea and I have hardly had any sleep for the past 2 weeks. In fact, every single recital, we are running on fumes, hardly any energy. But when we see how beautiful the children are and how they smile and their self-confidence on stage, there's no better reward. At this time, I'm excited to bring to the stage, please put your hands together. These are my Class 2 boys for Suliana's Dance Academy. Don't they look handsome? Come on, clap a little louder. Please allow me to set these boys up. They've been practicing for months, and the last thing I want to do is for them to mess up because I didn't set them up. You ready, boys? You ready? Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? This stick dance is the first ever to be performed here in Tonga. I don't think we've ever even done it with the Academy. I could have given it to older boys, but I know that my Class 2 boys can do this. One more time, please put your hands together for my handsome Kane. Here we go. Music up, music up.
Oh, makapu, eki, 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 hola ipokanoni, akapoeo, kuala itamalai lua, oh no one ke, hola ipokanoni, akapueo, kuala ikamalai lua, oh no one eki, 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 eki. Ela uapa ahua kopuhia eka kuhihema ia kapo ela uapa ehua kopuhia eka kuhihema eki 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 eki
No fault. Huli. Lue. These boys have been training very hard for this dance. Job well done. When these young men come to my dance classes, you probably think that all we do is teach them how to do ammi and do girly things for a hula. When these boys come to my dance class, I make them do push-ups, they do planks, sit-ups, burpees, you name it. Some of these boys go back and tell their mothers that their dance class is harder than their rugby training. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we've already come to class 4 of our Suliana's Dance Academy. These young ladies are our teens. In this class, we have 36 girls. In every single class for Suliana's Dance Academy, there is no less than 25 students. We are hoping and praying that by the end of the year, all of these wonderful sponsors who have given us this money will give us a little more money in December so that we can take our show to Teufaiva. What do you think? That is our hope and our dream and our prayer. So to all of my wonderful sponsors, look at my smile. I'm gonna keep smiling at you, and so will these kids for the rest of the show. Please put your hands together for the beautiful ladies of Suliana's Dance Academy, Class 4. If I wanted to run a Miss Heilala just from my academy, I bet I could. These girls are absolutely gorgeous. Ladies and gentlemen, have you liked our costumes this evening? We'd like to acknowledge all of the people that have helped us with the tui tui as well. This outfit was sewn by one of our dance mothers, Po Vaikona Iongi. These are her magical hands. Are we ready, girls? Let's space out. Here we go.
Lepe
These beautiful girls are between the ages from Form 4 to Form 7. I can't wait for you to get older. You have to stay with me for the rest of your lives. So proud of these children. Wonderful job. Huli! I'll hug you after. Love you so much. The show must continue. At this time, we will bring to the stage the oldest boys of Suliana's Dance Academy. Like I said earlier on, when we began, maybe 3 years ago, I only had 14 boys. Now my oldest class, I've got 24. I'm hoping that the boys here in the Kingdom of Tonga will want to dance more and more as they see these young men. Come on up on stage. Please put your hands together for them. You may have noticed that when my class 2 boys came up to the stage for their stick dance, they didn't smile. The boys in this class also will not smile. They are performing to a kahiko, which is ancient hula, and in some ways is like a prayer. Can we have the crowd be quiet? I know you think they look awesome, but let's keep it down. Now you can clap. Put your hands together one more time for the oldest boy squad of Suliana's Dance Academy with the Maui Kahiko.
Kapola kai ka ulu ine e maina iwa makualo ke alo kapu ke iwa o i ke kapu mena ali e ola makua maulo ala
Space out.
Maku kau ai na hanalui a Maui hanau papai ka pai moku hanau papai ka pai moku hawa I huki ela I mana ya garani hanau papai ka pai moku hawa I huki ela I mana ya garani o ake ai kalana ai ka honu ho o ku o mau ke kau ma o ake ai kalana ai ka honu ho o ku o mau ke kau ma Akaluna o ka ui ke e I hawai ai I ka nui kino Akaluna o ka ui ke e I hawai ai I ka nui kino Ua lawe pio I ka alai nui a hina a kala au hi a me ka au na ke ua lawe pio I ka alai nui a hina a kala au hi a me ka au na ki Ka holo holo hele o ka la I ka lewa ua kau o hi ia I ke kaula o ka holo holo hele o ka la I ka lewa ua kau o hi ia I ke kaula o O pe a makavalo kuku ino kaulele ika uhina akapo. O pe a makavalo kuku ino kaulele ika uhina akapo. He po alona maka o kia kapo o pakele o mawiko na manu. He po alona maka o kia kapo o pakele o mawiko na manu. Haina kapuana no kau I o Hawaii no Maui te pu. Ahi no haina kapuana no kau I o Hawaii no Maui te pu. Ahi no no Maui te pu. Ahi no Maui.
I have to say, we're so used to teaching the girls to be graceful and to hula, but weren't they amazing? I'm proud of you. One thing that a lot of people don't realize is that Lexi teaches the girls and I teach the boys. Ola, huli, lue. Your Royal Highness, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost to the end of our program. Like I told you, do not blink. This is the final item for this evening. As we bring to the stage, this team we like to call our promo team. These young ladies, majority of them have danced with us since they were in elementary school. Some when they were in high school. A couple of them just started 2 years ago, and they have come such a long way. Huli? Ilalo? Once again, let's put your hands together for the proud
Ika o pio I kau I i mo mai o ka palili vai a alele aku me ka nai ponono he mea pili ka peke peke ka ke aloha a ina ia ka puana i lo he ia i ki rotu i makau no na ka Moi no le na e ke ia o le aloha ka mea pili ka peke peke ka ke aloha a ina ia ka puana i lo he ia I ke o kau I makau no na ka Moi no le na e ke ia o le aloha ka mea pili ka peke peke ka ke aloha ka mea pili ka peke peke ka ke aloha
Aren't they gorgeous? Iluna. Huli. You can clap one more time. Lue. The promo team, of course, some of them are in USP. Some of them have actually come back with their degrees. And Your Highness, usually here in Tonga, most women will tell their girls to get married. My mother, Suliana, tells all of her dancers, don't get married. Once you get married, you get stuck. You stay and dance with me until you're ready. That's why they're still dancing, but we appreciate it. We've come to the end of our program, but at this time, you know, every single time the children dance, my mom would always say, we dance. I was surprised, Your Highness, that last week, my mother actually asked me if it's okay if we do a hula. Can you please put your hands together for my mom? My mom, as you all know, just turned 80 years old, and I was very surprised when she asked me if we could dance. And I said, Mom, you've never ever wanted to dance at any of the recitals. Why now? My mom said, some of the babies have never seen me dance. Every time they come to the studio, I'm always sitting down and just telling them with my hands what to do. I want the children to have a memory of me dancing. When she said that, of course, we have to do as the boss asks. My mom specifically said, that life isn't guaranteed. She doesn't know if she will be here to watch the children next recital. So without having any regrets, she wants to dance for all the children of Suliana's Dance Academy. Your Highness, if you can please bear with us as we do the final item for this evening.
Nani, nani nani ko e venuse e kauha he o nei o lino lino mai luna I ka maka o ka opua he nani ko e venuse e kauha he o nei o lino lino mai luna I ka maka o ka opua haina mai ka puana no kanani o venuse o lino lino mai luna I ka maka o ka opua haina mai ka puana no kanani o venuse o lino lino mai luna I ka maka o ka opua
Once again, please put your hands together for my beautiful mother and Alexandra Fielea. I think this is the very first time we've ever danced on stage together. In fact, when I was a child, I wanted to sing with the band. I never wanted to dance. So Mom, thank you for forcing me to dance in front of the people today. We've come to the end of the show. There are no words to express how grateful we are to all of the sponsors, how grateful we are to each and every one of you that are out here tonight. The fact that you bought a ticket and we sold out 2 days ago, that is such a blessing. Thank you so much for coming out to support. Please, if I could just mention the sponsors one more time, because they have given us a lot of money, and I promise that I will put every cent of it back to the Dance Academy. Children, can you please put your hands together for the princess, for joining us, Lord Tuita, and everybody that has come out tonight, and also the sponsors. Once again, a big thank you to the main sponsors for this evening, giving us 2,500 paanga. Semi Sisika, I love you forever. I'm voting for you. I promise. I promise I'm voting for you. And everybody else should vote for Semi Sisika as well. We're campaigning. I am Viria Mafiaki's daughter. Yes. A big thank you to Digicel Tonga, one of our main sponsors, sponsoring 2,500 paanga. To our platinum sponsors, PTH, Pacific Timber and Hardware, thank you so much. To Bingo, Pacific Shipping Agency Tonga. Our gold sponsors, TCC, BSP, Bank of South Pacific, Yummy Treats. Katri, we love you if you're here. Matalupe Company Limited, A&A Retailer Tonga Limited, and our bronze sponsors, Buloka Construction, Weta Coffee, thank you for being here this evening, and JR Hire. Without any further ado, I'm all about short, sweet, entertain, boom, bang, you're out of there. I will go ahead and say the closing prayer to make things short. Quiet. Our dear gracious Heavenly Father, we bow our heads before Thee at the closing of this mid-year recital to give Thee thanks for all of these wonderful children, for the ability to entertain the kingdom, for the ability to share our talents with these children and the children to share it for the rest of the world. Heavenly Father, we're grateful for all of the wonderful people that have made it here this evening. We're grateful for all of the companies who have supported this academy. We ask a special blessing to be upon our guest of honors this evening as they travel home and for the rest of their lives. A special blessing upon each and every one of the people that are here tonight, that they may get home safely without any harm. We love thee so much. We dedicate this day unto you. Forgive us for our sins and shortcomings and help us to be better people. In the name of thy Son, Jesus Christ, amen. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can please stay seated as we farewell our guest of honor. Can you all please put your hands together? What an honor it is to be blessed with the presence of our beloved princess, Lord Tuita. For each and every one of you, if we can please give a couple of cheers. Hip hip! Hip hip! One more, kids, let's make it the loudest you've ever done. Hip hip! Were you crying? Why were you crying? check. Babies, can you come on stage so we can get some pictures? Dancers to the stage. All our dancers to the stage. Can we get the children on stage so we can get some professional pictures, please? Just climb up. Let's just have a fun picture together. Alexandra Owatekehola, find Auntie Lexi. Let me get class 1 in the front. Class 1 girls, class 1 boys in the front. Class 2, second row. Boys on the right side. Class 1, can I have you sit down? Class 1, let's sit down. Everyone in class 1, sit down. Class 2, down on your knees, please. Boys, class 2, down on your knees. Class 3, down on your knees. Class 2, sit down on your knees. Yeah, go down. Dinah, sit down on your knees. Jordan, honey, Jordan, sit down on your knees. There we go. Let's try to get everybody's face in. Older boys, Laka. Let's go, let's go. Can you guys just kind of scooch? We just need to see everybody's faces, please. Down on knees. Boys, get in. You're not a big boy. You're still a baby. Cover up the sides. Tamay tangata. Get in. Some of you can. I love you, Bez. Can we fill up these spots? Boys, can some of you come over here? Some of you come here. Oh, you guys want to stay together? It's okay. Can some of you move in here? Move in. Can we get our professional photographers? Can you please get some shots? Stand on a chair for my professional photographers. Where's my mommy? My mother. Mom? Can someone please bring mom up? Good job, girls. Ay nato hataha. Mother? Can you guys make a spot for Grandma to come down the middle? Here we go, everybody down. I hope our photographers are out there too. Kids, we can have our own moment because I think it's just Dance Family that's right here. You clap for yourselves because you guys were amazing. Basbasi. We are so proud of you. You look at Grandma Suliana's face. We're so happy with all of you. Let's give everybody a dance clap. We ready? Talu, fa, alu. Yeah.
Nagaya